Hey everyone, this is Jamie, and today I'm going to walk you through the online parent portal and the data navigation process. You're going to start with the link to the parent portal. You'll land on a page much like this. Today I'm using our demo portal to protect student information, but I want you to see this live. You're going to sign in with your email, then hit next, enter your password. You're going to land on a page that doesn't look as crazy as this, but the basics are there. If you go to student information, you're going to scroll down to data confirmation. Once here, you're going to land on a page that looks like this. There's a quick survey about military and residency. These are state required, so please indicate the correct choices. In our portal, you're going to see a button right here that says confirm and continue because we have it locked that you have to go through each of the steps, and this demo does not. So once you click this, you'll hit a button right here that says confirm and continue. And then you'll see a button that says student. This is where you're going to review your demographic data. Check to make sure that first name, last name of the student. Some of these will be locked and some of them you will have access to. If you need to make changes, you can click the change button here. But just a caution, if you are changing your residency address, the effects will not take place until you speak with your site secretary to verify that change. You can make the change in the portal, but it actually won't reflect in our system yet. When you go to the contact area, this is the place where you can make changes that will happen. If I want to change the record for my emergency contact, I'll select that there and then pick change. Then the fields are unlocked and I can change all the information here that I need to, then hit the save button, and then you can choose the next person that you need to change. You can also add people. I think there is a limit on how many that you can add, so you might have to delete somebody and kind of overwrite their record before you add a new one. It's not super user-friendly, but hopefully you can make it work. The next thing you'll have the green confirm and continue button here. Next, you'll go to medical history. Just do a quick glance. If there's anything that needs to be updated, please add it here. The site health clerks and our district nurse will see that a change was made. And the next page I want you to look at is documents. And here I've switched really quickly to our actual database so you can see what's inside. This is a sample for a 12th grade student. You're going to see that we have the LCHS drug and alcohol prevention video. You can click on this and review the link. This process really is to check all of our policies and procedures and then check through here that you've read and accept them. We do have all of these listed on our district and school websites, so you're able to indicate that you've read and accepted them and then go through and read them again, or if you'd like to read them all first and then go through this process of clicking the accept button, also fine. Some of these only apply to certain students, and so if you have a 7th grade student, you're going to see a little bit different list compared to having a senior student. Once you've read and accept all of those, let me show you that process. You'll select all of these. I actually have read all of them. And then you're going to hit confirm and continue. Next, you're going to see our authorization and prohibitions. We want to make sure that you've really read the technology use agreement, so you're going to check yes there. You're going to choose if you want to receive general school and telephone information and opt in or out of that from the district. If you are okay with your child participating in the family life curriculum, and we have a letter for that, you're going to opt into that. If you're okay with your information being in the PTA directory, opt in here. This one is about military recruiters for 11th and 12th grade students, and you can make a choice there. The next one is giving consent about health and safety information to the doctor that you indicated, and indicate there. And then the last two, if you're okay with us using images of your student on our website or in our print media, make a selection there. And then if there is a disaster, can we release your student to a familiar adult? You're going to hit save if you've made any changes. It should recognize what you had in there from the previous year. Then hit confirm and continue. Once you do that, you're going to get a reminder like I gave you in the beginning. Please note that you will need to provide proof of residency to the district office or school site administration for home address changes. Once you've read that note, please hit finish and submit. You're now going to see the confirmation page. So please click this print new emergency card button, and you're going to get a piece of paper to print and then to sign for each of those policies that you said you read and accept. You're going to have a one signature page for the process this year. For our high school students, you're going to see the lunch permit, medication form, parking, or locker information. Actually, medication form pertains to everyone, but all of that can be found by clicking this link and getting to our website's registration page. So again, most important, work through all of these steps. At the very end, hit the Print New Emergency Card button. If you have any problems during this process, please email us at portalhelp@lcusd.net. Once again, that's portalhelp@lcusd.net. So I switch back to the demo database. I'm going to click Print New Emergency Card so you can see what the process looks like. You'll have the option to download the report, so please click that. And you should see, let me move this into your view. You should see this pop up showing you your emergency card with everything that you selected. And then on ours, we have a series of signatures that'll show up down here for you to have just a one signature page for back to school. So that'll be on there for you. And if you have more than one student, you're going to navigate over here to where it says parentaeries.com. And oh, just kidding. There is, here we go, change student. Sorry. You're going to click change student and you'll be able to switch to another student and then work through that same process. And once again, you're going to start under student info, data confirmation, or in ours, you might see the yellow bar going across saying please complete data confirmation process. Again, if you have any questions about the data confirmation process, please reach out to portalhelp@lcusd.net. That's portalhelp@lcusd.net, and one of the tech staff will get right back to you to help you with this process. During the school year, if you have any data information that needs changing, any contact info that needs updating, you have access to this portal all year round to make those changes. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.